Good afternoon, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, where did we end last? We are doing the class and objects thing, right?
Yes, sir. You gave a question and ended the class.
Okay. What was that question?
So design a class rectangle with the following specifications: instance,
Okay.
instance variables slash data members, int l to store the length of a rectangle, int b to store the breadth of a rectangle, int area to store the area of the rectangle, int peri to store the perimeter of the rectangle. Member functions slash member methods. Void input to accept the length and breadth of a rectangle, void compute to compute the area and perimeter of the rectangle, and void display to print the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Write a main method to create an object of a class and call the above member methods.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now, just give me a sec. By the way, all of y'all have got your projection already?
Yes, sir.
Because the girls and all, they have come today. Now they came with all sorts of stories. Sir, I don't have this, I don't have that. Please, I'm again and again requesting you all, don't come with stories. Okay? Please,
I'll submit it on January.
Sorry?
So I'll submit the project in January.
Who is this? Shikta?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because you're not getting your visa.
No, sir. Like by the time I'll reach school, it will again go on vacation.
Oh, okay. But if the marks have to be sent before, no, then I will send 0, okay?
Sir, then can I send it to you on online? I mean, it's online.
Yeah, send me the PDF online then. Keep those who have already done it, please send me the PDF also online, okay?
So in your mail or WhatsApp?
No, in my mail. I had given you all the mail ID, right?
Sir, I forgot.
No,
Sir, can you
sir.
please resend it?
No,
They were
sir.
not
We will see.
I did not give.
What?
Sir, you did not give the mail. So you told we'll wait for the council to send in PDF or in hard copy.
Yeah. So that's why. So see, finally it is being accepted in hard copy. Actually, most of the other schools, no, they have accepted in hard copy because they are all day schools. So they have called the students and all to submit the project. So they have submitted. We don't have it. So that is another thing. Anyway, I will then write down the mail ID. No, would be. What is the mail ID? Wait. Write down computer project class 9@gmail.com.
Sub project or projects.
Project. Okay. Now see, this is the mail ID that you'll have to follow. Computer project class 9. Okay. NINE@gmail.com. Okay, have you got this? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
And what you'll do now? Y'all get the hard copy also of it, okay? What y'all will do? Get the hard copy also of the project.
Okay, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What will happen as a result? I mean, I will be able to refer to both. Okay. Please, again and again, I'm telling you all, the project and all, don't mess it up, because it's going to be pretty crucial. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, ask now.
Sir, the project should be black and white or colored?
Black and white. You can print in black and white. No need to make it colored and all that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can make it in black and white itself. No need of colored and all that. Those who don't have a printer, I have given you all the option to write also if you want. No. Have you understood? Those who don't have the option to print and all this, that I know, okay, printing, why I told you to print is that because printing is the easier option. Because writing, it will take you all a very long time. So that is why I gave you all to print. But if you all feel that no sir, printing is going to be more difficult and all, writing is okay, then you all can do that, not an issue. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
थोड़ी क्लास चल रहा है, फ़ोन तो नहीं दे सकता।
क्यों? थोड़ी देर
फ़ोन में रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा थी, रिजेक्ट कर दिया।
Okay, so whichever you all feel more comfortable, please, you know what, do that.
पता है क्या नहीं?
Okay?
पापा दवाई लाए, मेरा कहाँ रखा? हाथ में देखा।
So have you all written down this thing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. So this should be the mail ID where you'll have to send. So please don't say, sir, I actually forgot, I wrote, because the mail ID is pretty lengthy one. So I hope all of y'all have written it correctly. Alright. So please, again and I am telling you all, don't give me stories. Okay? Give me the project. Okay? That is my request to y'all. Okay? Now come to program based on now class and objects. Okay. Now you all remember last class what I taught you all?
Yes, sir.
Do you all faintly remember what had been taught?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, coming to that, class is still 3:20, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Okay, no? Yeah. Now see over here. Design a class rectangle with the following specifications. Okay, a class rectangle. You have to design a class rectangle with the following specifications. So what are these specifications? Okay, so I had already given this one int LB area peri and all. Now what are these LB area and peri? They are what? The instance variables. Now where will you declare these instance variables?
In the class.
Correct. Instance variables will be declared inside the class. That means, should I write over here? So over here, see, class rectangle. First, let me. Acha, okay. So first I will write rectangle. I have done the. What happened?
Your voice is
Voice is breaking.
Oh, voice is breaking. Now is it okay?
No, sir.
To do. Geo fiber. Now is it okay? Or is it still breaking?
It's fine now.
Int L, B, area and peri, right? So these are the instance variables. So where do I declare the instance variables? Inside the class. Alright. Now, what is the method? Void input. First method is input. So I'll write over here what? See, I will write void input first. Okay. Am I clear? Now, what is given in this void input? What do I have to do inside void input? I have to accept the length and breadth of a rectangle. That means I have to input the length and breadth of a rectangle. So wherever I need to input, I have to write scanner. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wherever we need to input, we write the scanner. Then after that, I don't need to declare the variable. It is already declared. Enter the length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, so L equals to SC dot next int, B equals to SC dot next int. Okay, length and breadth of a rectangle. Then what should I do? So what did they say to do in this method?
So just enter the length and breadth.
Just enter the length and breadth, right? Okay. Next, compute. What will this void compute do? It will compute the area of the rectangle. So void compute so area is equal to L into B. Peri is equal to 2 into L plus B. Is Shovik there in the class today? No. Let's say if Shovik is there in the class today. No, he is not there. If he would have been there, then he would have been the first one to say, sir, it will be L into B and all that. Anyway, now this is void compute and then void display. Are you all understanding this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
perimeter is plus peri. Okay, so I've got three functions. One is input, one is compute, one is display. Now see what is happening. LB, area and peri, they are what? Instance variables. Are they local variables? Are they declared inside any method? No. So that means see over here in input I'm using ln b. In compute also I can use ln b. Again say area I'm using in compute, I'm using the variable also in display. So the advantage of declaring a variable in a class means what? That I can use it anywhere in the program. Alright?
But in professional coding, can it save some money
In professional coding,
where we have to buy spaces for the coding in there?
yeah. It will save lots. You won't believe. Okay, this, see, I'll tell you, I'll give you an example. See, why Java has become unpopular now? Because you see in Java, no, this variable types, like say we use, what are the different variables? Byte, short, int, long, like this, no? Right?
Yes,
Now
yes.
see, byte occupies how many bytes? 1 byte. Whereas long will occupy 8 bytes. Now in professional coding, this selection of data type is very important. Say suppose you want age or you want marks in different subjects. Will you ever choose short and int? Never. You will use byte. Why? Because the range of byte is what? From minus 128 to plus 127. So marks will always be out of 100. They cannot be more than 100. Similarly, your age cannot be more than 127. So when you go into professional coding, it is a different ball game altogether. But the thing is, you all should know that this is more or less important. Why? Because now at least ICSE board has given you all the opportunity to learn programming. So later on, when you go for yes.
In Python, it takes automatically variable.
Yes. But in Python, when you're going to do Python is very easy. Why? Because there are only two types of variables, int and float. Int is for numbers without decimals, float is for with decimals. And in Python, you don't have to declare any variables. When you write a is equal to 5, the computer automatically understands this is int. When you write a is equal to Amay, the computer will automatically understand that this is of type string. So that is Python. That is next year. Not next year. After that, if you all are there, and by that time, I think syllabus may change also, because CBSE board has gone a step ahead, and they have introduced along with Python. They have introduced now artificial intelligence. That too in class 9. Okay, so this is where we are heading to in computers. Right. So it's a very very
Collaborated with Microsoft, no?
Yes. So many schools have started teaching artificial intelligence, which is a very, very big thing. Because in school, if you know artificial intelligence, by the time you are in college and all, if you are doing computer engineering later on, it will be of great help. Okay, that is the thing. this now? Now, what I'll do, see, in the main method now, I'm not going to input in the main method. What will I do? Just I will create the object of the class rectangle here. Did you understand? So what will I write? I'll just create the object of the class rectangle. Then OB dot. Now what I'll do? After creating the object, I will just call the what? Methods there. So what will I write? OB dot input, then OB dot I will call compute, then OB dot display. Did you understand then? Now, did you all understand this?
Yes, sir.
So can we give any name to the object?
No. You can, a object can be given any name, any variable. Say I can give Amay. So I have to write object is Amay, so I have to write Amay dot.
Can we give the name SC?
No. SC is already the object which you have given for scanner class. So over here, if you go to see, scanner SC new scanner means what? SC is the object you've given for scanner class. Did you understand? Now,
Yes,
this
sir.
question now here, write a main method to create an object and call the above member methods. This is equivalent to this over here. The main method you write, create an object and call this above member methods. But normally we require to do it if you are doing it from a class different from the class in which the objects are. But means methods are. But then over here the ICSE board tells you do it in the same class, no issues. So this is how your ICSE board program will look like. Okay, this. Everything will be given in the question. See, everything is given in the question. What you have to take as length, what is the area, what are the functions you have to take and all that. So if you go to see this program based on class and objects, they are literally very, very easy. So now in the exam, in the ICSE, your paper will comprise of total 6 programs, of which you have to do 4. Okay. Now,
Yes.
which are the 4 programs? One will be always based on class and objects. Every year, one program will come based on class and objects. Then one program will be there on function overloading. Okay. One program you'll have on arrays, one program on strings, and you will have one program based on
Numbers.
loops. Right? Now, the question comes, sir, where will you use else if? Now, else if programs are usually, like say, bundled with class and objects. In class and objects, they give you programs based on else if. Now, sir, function overloading, sometimes they give loop-based programs over here in function overloading. So now if you go to see, loops is coming twice. So now how many programs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the 6th program might be anything. It could be anything from arrays. It could be anything from strings. So this is sure shot. This is one program which is sure shot class and objects. Function overloading is one program which is sure shot. Arrays is another program which is sure shot. Strings is another program. So if you do this 4 chapters nicely, you're sure of getting 4 programs. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In function
Yes.
overloading, what
Yeah.
kind of loop we will get?
Say they will tell you to overload a function, say number, okay? Where in one function you're going to find the sum of the digits of the number. In another one you're going to find whether the number is pi number or not. In another function you have to find whether it is Armstrong number or not. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
Okay, so that way they will put function overloading with class and with loops. I'll give you all plenty of practice, don't worry. Okay, as long as I am there, I will give you all plenty of practice. Okay. Only thing is when you're coming back to the school, it will be of great help if you all can use your What you call that?
Creating a scanner object, we are writing scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot.
Correct.
Why we are not writing system dot in case of rectangle object?
In case of rectangle object, no. This is actually, you know what? This is actually, I'll come to this later, okay? This is something called constructor. All right. This is something called constructor. Okay. So this for now, no, just keep it like that. Keep your question, okay? I'm not saying that don't ask me the question or whatever. I will explain when I do a chapter called constructor. After this, we'll go into a chapter called constructor, and that time I'll explain. Okay. In the meantime, please copy this program. Okay. In the meantime, copy this. Okay. Has everyone copied this?
The copying.
Take a screenshot now then. Take a screenshot. Okay? Well, I've got another class now. Okay. Good afternoon and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. Thank you, sir.